Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, with another week almost here in the books, want to get just an overall pattern mapped out here, and I want to map out this pattern not because I'm trying to come across like this is some sort of great discovery or that I have some sort of special talent. The exact opposite. I assure you, a lot of people that use charts, understand charts, are going to be watching these same exact levels, which is important because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements, and that's exactly what we have going on here. So the first part of this pattern is just the stubborn part as far as resistances are concerned, and that's this trend line right here. You can see that over the course of the past few days, the price has made several attempts to get up to that area, and whenever the price gets up around that general area, it just can't quite push through. So that is very clearly a resistance trend line that I'm sure a lot of people are watching. On the flip side of things, the other level that I'm sure a whole lot of people are going to be watching is the support portion of this pattern down here at 95.75. Again, same thing. You go through the history of the chart, and you can see the price has been down around this area several times and has done a fantastic job of holding strong. So is anything guaranteed? Absolutely not. But what I'm getting across is this: it's a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought to have that if the price were to come down in 95.75 and then break down through it, that break in and of itself could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. Self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, but that's a very real possibility, that could happen. On the flip side of things, same exact logic, nothing's guaranteed, but if the price were to turn around, work its way back up to that area and then get a break up through there, that break very well could create just that much more upside buying pressure. To call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, but there's a bunch of breakout players watching that resistance trend line, so that'll be another very important level to watch moving forward. So keep an eye on this pattern moving forward into next week, and let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.